Hi folks, welcome to the unboxing of this. This is a TP-Link Deco P9 mesh Wi-Fi system. This has 2 nodes. Now I've got throughout my house, I've got M5, they look like that, M5 as a primary node, TP-Link Deco. I've got E4s that look like that. They look almost the same as this, but there's one thing that they can't do particularly well. I don't know if you can see there, this is what I'm after here. Let's zoom that in a little bit there. What I can do there is use powerline technology to get through a thick wall, because the arrangement of my house means my fibre broadband is in an extension which is outside the main house. So I'm going to try these out. At the moment I'm getting around about 175 megabits per second off the mesh Wi-Fi system right next to the router, which is great. But in the main house I'm getting something like 30 to 40 and sometimes less, and that isn't really quite good enough because it's got to go through that wall. So let's see what's in the box here right away. So let's just move that camera down for you. There, hopefully you can see a little bit better. So, nice box, lovely box, lovely box, lovely box. Now of course you can buy these on Amazon. This one cost me about, no I didn't, I bought this off Curry's actually, 96 quid. This I think will be absolutely the business, because these Wi-Fi systems basically can run around about 1,000 megabits per second. That's basically what they can do in a nutshell. I can give you all the specification on the side of the screen, but basically we're talking 1,000 megabits per second, and that's wireless as well as connected. So let's see what's in the box. Ooh, let's turn the box over. Nice box, nice box. So what have we got in the box? We have got a node that looks like that. Now this node is very, very similar to the Deco E4 and the Deco E3 for that matter. The specification is slightly different, and there's another one there. Okay, so you've got 2 of these. What you also get in the box will be, you will get in the box this. So undo that with the old scissors. There's basically going to be a power. There's your power for one. Just got a power cable. There's your power for number 2 there. We then have a cable. Now that cable will run from your existing router into your first node. That's what we call these things. And there's an installation guide. And one thing that's really good, there's lots and lots of, there's a little bit of plastic there, but this is all got cardboard packaging inside. So a big thumbs up there to Deco and TP-Link for reducing the amount of plastic waste. There's pretty much 0 plastic in here, other than of course the units themselves. That's the unboxing. Catch you guys on the mesh flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.